What's up, FT Miss T? In today's video, we are going to be unboxing some of the things from my gift registry for the baby, and this is only a handful of things, but thank you guys so much who contributed to helping to get some of the things off the registry. We are super grateful. This right here is a little bathtub thing. I'll show a picture of kind of how it's supposed to look once it's over the bathtub. But just kind of give your knees some support while you're giving the baby a bath, and then your elbows as well. So very helpful. I thought it was super cute. So happy to have that. And then next up we have this very soft blankie. I saw this and I just knew it was going to be so cozy. And I was right, y'all. Look at this blanket. And then if you haven't realized, he has a theme. So it's kind of, well, I guess more so a color scheme. And this is this sage green. Yes, it's so soft and beautiful. I absolutely love this blanket. One of my favorite items off the registry for sure. All right, next up we have these little hand covers. These come in handy to help keep baby from scratching his face and just keep his hands protected and protect him from his own little hands. But super cute. Definitely want to try my best to keep up with these. They're similar to socks, You're always like one disappearing and then you got mismatch. But anywho. Okay, so these are some matching little hats and shirts. As I go through this stuff, one thing I'm realizing is that I did not put enough pants on the registry. And so he does have plenty of hats and tops, but I do need to add some more pants or just pick up some the next time I'm at Walmart. But nonetheless, I'm super grateful for the things that we do have, and they're just so cute. I love the little matching sets. And then these are what they look like. I love these colors. We like earth tones. We didn't want to go for like the traditional baby blue, although he has some baby blue stuff, but more so we were just trying to kind of get away from the typical baby blue and lean more into this direction and color scheme. Okay, next we have a baby swing, which is really awesome. It has settings to play music and sway back and forth, all the things. This is the bedside bassinet. And of course, we've got diapers. We prefer Huggies over Pampers. And we've got other things as well, but this is just what has come in so far. Thank you all so much for your gifts, and I appreciate you for watching. Listen, I'm Tierra B, and that's me naturally. Blessings.